Hello, I'm Stefan Borgas, CEO of ICL. I'd like to spend a few minutes discussing ICL's unique business model and our vision and our strategy. With annual sales of over $6 billion and an operating income of approximately $1 billion, ICL is more than just a mining company or a specialty chemicals producer. We operate an integrated value chain that allows us to produce processed products that fulfill essential needs in three large markets: agriculture, processed foods, and engineered materials. We begin extracting specialty minerals, specifically potash, phosphates, and bromine, in our mines located in Israel, Spain, the UK, and together with our partners. Then, our highly integrated value chains use sophisticated processes and utilize products and waste products to enable the cost-efficient conversion of raw materials into higher value-added products. Our upstream mineral costs are competitive, while our proprietary technologies, broad IP portfolio, innovation capabilities, processing expertise, and market-specific formulations build our strong downstream position. Our downstream business is diversified and balanced. We operate in over 30 countries, market our products in over 90 countries, and are well positioned in high growth areas such as China, India, and Brazil. We also have begun to build an emerging position in Africa. ICL's portfolio of mineral assets include high-quality, vast and low-cost potash and bromine reserves that are sourced from the Dead Sea in Israel, where we also benefit from large open-air potash stockpiling capacity, a unique feature among all competitors in the world. Our potash mine in Spain has attractive expansion potential, and our mine in the UK contains a new mineral called polysulfate, which holds the potential to become a widely used fertilizer with attractive economics. Our access to phosphate rock and our processing facilities in Israel's Negev desert make us the only global sizable backward integrated phosphate player in the world. These mineral assets are all close to ports and key end markets, providing us with logistics advantages for supplying strategically important emerging markets like India, China, and Brazil, as well as our European markets. ICL is the global leader in many of its markets. In potash, we're number 2 in Western Europe and one of the top 4 importers in the growth markets of China, India, and Brazil. In PK fertilizers, we are the leading player in Western Europe, and in specialty fertilizers, we are the number 1 worldwide supplier of MAP and MKP soluble fertilizers. We're also one of the world's top 3 producers of phosphate-based food additives, and the only global one. We are the second largest provider of specialty phosphates and the world leader in elemental bromine. Our markets have significant barriers to entry due to high startup and ongoing operational costs in increasingly demanding regulatory environments. Our end markets focus on essential needs. These markets have long-term growth potential based on global megatrends such as population growth, growing standards of living in emerging markets, diminishing arable land, a scarcity of water, and ever stricter environmental and safety regulations. These trends are driving steady increase in demand for grains, processed foods, and improved engineered materials. Our near and mid-term goals are to focus even more on our core markets of agriculture, food, and engineered materials. We will leverage our integrated operations to maintain our profitability, and we will grow our position in our target markets organically and with bolt-on acquisitions. By pursuing operational excellence and driving efficiency improvements, we are targeting cost savings of $350 million per year by the end of 2016. ICL will build distinctive mineral assets and technologies through disciplined capital allocation. Our connected production platform for backward integration into cost-competitive natural resources and our global market reach will allow us to expand our global presence, especially in emerging markets. We have identified several opportunities to diversify our resources, which can be delivered while our strict return hurdle rates are fulfilled. We continuously improve our core technologies and expand our product portfolio through targeted acquisitions and above-average R&D efforts, including the use of open innovation. ICL has been a leader in operating an environmentally friendly and award-winning sustainable business. To that end, we continue to reduce our environmental footprint, enhance product sustainability, and develop next-generation products in energy storage, balanced fertilization, food additives, and environmentally friendly flame retardants. We are currently in the process of transforming ICL from a group of successful businesses into one truly unified global company. We call it One ICL. We are doing this by creating a collaborative, efficient, and innovative environment for our 12,000 great, valued employees that will enable them to address the evolving needs in our core markets while becoming ever more efficient. ICL has made significant progress over the last decade as we have transformed our business into a diversified and financially sound company. We remain fully committed to our strong dividend policy, which has a long track record. As we take our next steps to strengthen ICL by listing on the New York Stock Exchange, we remain more committed than ever to pursuing our strategy to generate attractive returns for all of our stakeholders. We look forward to you joining us on our journey.